Hi, welcome to TIOmarkets price action analysis on Euro Aussie. This market is forming an interesting formation. It's called a bullish wedge. Please do remember that we don't provide investment advice, so you should only watch this video if you agree with this disclaimer and with the fact that we only provide you with educational material. Okay, here we have Euro Aussie in 2-hour time frame. As you can see, whichever way you draw the trend lines, we have a bullish wedge forming here. So I'm going to take the other one off now just for the sake of clarity, but I think this is a situation where we have buyers coming in slowly into this market. That's why the lower end of the formation is approaching this downward sloping trend line. So it's telling me that the sellers are getting weaker and weaker. So we are interested in the upside potential in this market and looking at basically this formation here. I think that once the market breaks out, and provided it doesn't break this 62.81 low here and sort of consolidates here or creates higher lows, that increases the likelihood of market breaking above this trend line. And should that happen, I think there's a very high likelihood of this market moving to key resistance zones. And one of them is up here, but I think that there's a good chance that the market actually moves higher than that. The next level coincides with our projection there at 65.75, and key levels after this are here at 66.41 and 66.86. So I think looking at this price action here and the factors that come together at these levels, I think it's safe to say that we do have some potential on the long side here in this market. And therefore, I'm thinking that we should really, based on the multiple factors coming together here, if you take into account this trend line and the Fibonacci levels, I think this is a key area. We have multi-factor confluence area here, which suggests that many different people are looking at this area. Many traders are likely to see this because it's 50% Fibonacci retracement level. There's a trend line and there's this high. Also an area here where we have 50 period moving average and this high are, I think that makes sense to have a target one there. So really target one there and target two a little higher. So the prices for these levels are the T1 area 64.65 to 65.26 or so, and the target 2 from 65.57 to 66.10. Just to clarify, we are interested in long trades above 62.81 and with the sort of reservation that we need to see a breakout from this channel. So thank you for your time. And before we finish today, you might want to consider subscribing to the channel, and if you like the content, give us thumbs up and also comment here below the video so that we know your feedback, and it's nice to know what you're thinking about the videos, and maybe you have some suggestions that you would like to give to us, so we're happy to look into them as well. Thank you for your time now and trade safe.